I'm going to be doing another nails of the month video because these are fire and I'm so excited about them. Behind me, if you're like, what is going on? You guys know I haven't been feeling like the greatest lately. I'm good, like I'll be all good, I'll be okay. I just kind of wanted to have like a little bit of a staycation. So I am just in a hotel in my city. Very, very peaceful, calm, chill vibes. Just like a, you know, a home away from home type thing. You know, just like a new environment. I have a beautiful view here. If you guys don't like these videos, then I would just suggest to pass this particular one. I just got out of the shower and no makeup. Been crying today, so I'm puffy, so don't clock it. But I'm just gonna go in by one by one, show you guys everything of my Bratz nails that I got, and I'm so excited. So here we go, girl. Hello. Such good lighting here right now. Oh my god. Here are a brief overview of the nails that I have. And yes, I have that gorgeous C curve that I'm like, I gag over all the time. This is what they look like the other way. Let's go in one by one, starting with the right hand, which looks like this. If you guys inspo these in any way, definitely tweet them to me on Twitter or tag me on Instagram so that I can see that. I always love seeing your guys' creations. So the very first nail is baby boomers. I have basically baby boomers on almost all these. No, I think all these. I don't know. Almost all these except one. And if you don't know, like baby boomers basically like faded French tip. So that's what's underneath all of these. And then there's a gorgeous like random sparkle over top. So there's like little stars and hearts and just different shapes. They're like octagons and stuff and just all different colors. Very, very gorgeous. The next finger we have is a Bratz doll. Gorgeous in all her beauty there. And same sparkles over top of there. And then we have some rhinestones up top. It almost looks like she has like a headband or a crown. So gorgeous. And these are nail decals. So I am not sponsored, but I'm gonna let you guys know what these are called. Nailed by Christy. This is the Instagram page. So I just went on there. There were $8 for these. So that's mainly what you are going to be seeing. And I'm a little bit fake. I don't know what names of the dolls they are. Love being fake. I just like Bratz dolls. I didn't play with any as a kid because you guys, if you know me, you know that I was a very big tomboy. I played with like Superman, my Batmobile, Ninja Turtles. Like I never messed around with dolls or anything like that. So I don't know the names, but I just enjoy cute girly things. So I love looking like a Bratz doll. I mean, I could never, but like the Bratz doll makeup, Naomi Smalls. Anyway, so I don't know the names of them. So if you guys know the names of them, let me know in the comments down below. My middle finger is the Bratz logo with baby boomer again. And then all the different gorgeous flakes. I don't know what to call it, like sparkle flakes of all those different shapes all around it as well to tie it all in. And this is the only nail that isn't a baby boomer underneath. So this nail is a bunch of different sparkles and shapes encapsulated underneath. So it's all smooth. You can't feel any of those because they're all underneath there. And then the gel is over top. So this is honestly probably my favorite nail, I'm not gonna lie, but this is so beautiful. I love when she does that, encapsulates all the gorgeous sparkles. And my thumb here is the same as my pinky finger, exactly the same you guys saw. So this is the first hand. Here is the second hand we have here. We will start with my pinky. We have another gorgeous Bratz doll here. Same thing we got going on here. I like that it's all like cohesive. They're not like super different each one. They're like boom. Like I've already got so many compliments on these and people are like, oh my god, are those press-ons? No girl, I love these. I think I might one day just get baby boomers with these over top of them because they're so stunning. Like they're so simple, but they're like extra. And then the blonde Bratz, how I want to look one day. I would love to look like this, like legit, with like the lips, the tiny little nose, the big eyes, and just and then finally, the thumb looks just like this thumb, but different. So here's what we got going on here. Absolutely stunning. I am obsessed. If you guys want to see more enclosed pictures or anything like that, I have a little nail folder on the homepage of my Instagram, so you guys can go check that out. So that was about it, but before I go, I want to share with you guys your nails of the month. If you guys want to be featured and show me your nails and have your nails featured as well as mine in here in the next video that I have like sick nails. Again, I don't do these every single month because, you know, if they're just like plain or just like chill nails, I'm not gonna do a whole video on them. But if they're like real cute and I'm gonna brighten your guys' day, then I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna showcase your guys' as well. So I'm gonna send out a tweet. Don't just go and send them to me, wait for the tweet. So put my post notifications on if you guys wanna, you know, have your nails be shown. I get so many responses when I do this. So I choose a good handful of you guys. I don't just choose one or like two or anything. So we have Hannah, Willow, Jolene, Krista, Susie, Kate, Lena, Lucy, Mac, Lucy, Sarah, Katie and Jassy. These nails are absolutely stunning. You guys are working it with those nails. I love how the creativeness, like you hold different things and the color combinations. Hopefully you guys can get some inspiration out of this video, my nails, other people's nails, and I want to leave you guys with some smiles, some positivity, some sparkles, and just some positive vibes. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys all in the next one. Bye!